Alright, welcome back. I have decided to put my camera basically over here because you couldn't see the home, the menu. Well, you can see the menu, just couldn't see the home. So I thought it would be a little bit easier to see everything that I'm seeing. That way you're not curious about me saying index right here. Anyways, today we're going to look at the menu. Yes, right now it looks okay, but I want to do a picture and then have like classic burger and 120 over here, but I want it to be in a row and then come down and then a row and then come down and then a row. So a bunch of columns with rows only on the computer. On the phone, it will just be a bunch of columns, and that's it. And I also want to do a background, kind of like I did for this one, but of like a kitchen for the bar. Plus, we're going to add a backdrop of probably a cutting board since it's like cowboy style. So let's go ahead and get started. All right. Need to go into the code. Delete that. So menu. Items, classic burger. All right. And then we're also going to have a button kind of like the home page where it pops up as an alert and it basically gives all the ingredients. All right, so copy that. Let's see if I can spell menu right. I need the menu to be let's see. Like the home page. With this style. All right. Need a background. Picture that stays. And then a scroll. So scroll with columns and rows. To 4 rows. need a bar at the top with buttons for, let's see, it is, oh my goodness, I gotta look at the menu. I can't remember exactly. I think it's burgers, hot dogs, different style burgers, different style hot dogs, different style nachos, and then different style tacos, and then drinks. Well, we'll just start with that. It's fine. So for hot dogs, let's see, burgers, tacos, hot dogs, nachos, and drinks. The drinks. Sections. Alcoholic. I think I spelled that right. Well, it's not giving an error, so it's giving an error, son of a gun. Okay. Oh, sections, alcoholic, and non-alcoholic. There we go. All right. What else? Only when I press the button that view pops up. All right, we're probably gonna have to put the menu stuff on a different one because it's gonna be a lot of items. Because there's beer, there's whiskey, there's vodka, but there's like different types of beer, different types of whiskey, different types of vodka, different types of tequila. Uh, so we're gonna need probably different sections for each of those, and so we're gonna have to put this on another file, another TSX file. All right. So for right now, we'll just do this, which is fine. Yes, I know you're giving an error because you don't like the way it looks. All right. No. Yes. Do events we don't need yet. All right, so that is what we need. Okay. Oh, because it's using that as the background. Okay, that's fine. Oh my. Oh, what the heck? I don't know why it's. That looks really funky. But it is. It's getting there. We just got to put everything to the middle. Let's see what it looks like on the phone. All right. Now, it didn't update on the phone, so we gotta clear it and reboot it. Jesus. I hope they fix that. Honestly, this is annoying. Okay. Now let's go back into it. Oh my. Yeah, it's cutting it off. This is terrible. Okay. I'm not sure why. It's doing that. Let's see. Nacho, da 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 da. Hot dog burger. So nav button. Then it should be the same for each. Nav button, padding vertical, padding there. Okay, so we need to take a couple pictures because ChatGPT needs to know what's going on. So there's number one. Number two. And number three. Column wrap, column card with this. Okay. So where exactly are the column wrap, column card? Okay. They're all right there. So I can just copy this. column card. Then replace this part. Columns map column index. Let's see where it's at. I think it's more towards the bottom. I don't even see it. Oh, column map. Here we go. All right. So it's all of that, yes? I think it's all of that. I guess we'll find out. Yeah, I think that was good. Okay. So now we need to go. Oh, you're killing me. Okay. Wait. Then replace this part. Oh, ha! It's the same thing. Okay. So, okay. You are very. Nah. Okay. Wait, do I need to. Oh, no, that messes it up. Okay. So it's that. Many did. Then replace this part with this simpler version. Delete this line. But it's not giving the whole thing, so that doesn't make sense. Festival. I don't know. We're just gonna. Okay. Can give me the complete code. Okay, what is he doing? Hot dog. Da 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 da. Yeah, I got it. Okay. Class category menu, blah blah blah. I don't even see the class map anymore. Yeah, it matches. Well, it should because you gave it to me. Yeah, it matches. Okay. Alright. Let's see what that does. Oh my goodness. This is. Wow. Well, I mean, it's going to the right more, but still. This is. Nope. If it was HTML CSS, I would be able to do it much easier, but since it's change this, kill it me. Please get full file. I don't want to mess it up. Yes, I know. Stop complaining at me. Just give me the full file. Okay. Needs to be centered. Because it's to the left. And the buttons should not grow. I'll probably have to be more specific, but that's okay. Now that changed something on the phone. That fix the buttons. Replace the nav bar with this centered category buttons. Ah. You're giving me two different things. Nav button. Oh, nav bar. Stupid. Ay, ay, ay. Okay. I feel like a dirt ditter. Columns wrapper. Okay. You're making me work for it. But that's okay. That's how I learn. Oh, it changed on the phone. Okay. Yeah. Drinks, alcoholic. Beer. Okay, yeah, it looks okay on the phone. Well, kind of. I really don't like that it's a row like that. Actually, I might put the buttons on the side. I wonder how that would look. Because right now. Okay, this. Why is that on the side? Okay. that layout looks much better. Let's try that. Okay. Wait, just the screen structure or view style? Okay, yeah, it's view style, so I gotta go all the way up. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Okay, that doesn't need to be messed with. It is from there. I think to there. Maybe? Nope, we got an error. What is the error? Oh, the other. Okay, I gotcha. That's okay. No problem. Yeah, I know you're screaming at me on the phone. Whatever. That's fine. Add these styles. Okay. Why are we getting a card? Is there already a card? I think there's already a card. Card. Oh, yeah, there's already a card. Oh well. Now it's fine. We'll try with that card. Ooh. Okay, it looks okay on the phone, but it's very big. Good God. Yeah, I like this style a lot more for sure. Uh, but I gotta get the photo on the right side. Okay. Instead, make the left sidebar solid panel. Yeah, kind of like that. Okay. Menu right side, da 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 da. Ugh, I don't feel like trying to find it, so. Please give full code. Thank you. That's all I ask. Is that you just give me the full code, because I don't feel like going through all of it. Just trying to build this app as fast as I possibly can with your help. And I'll go through it after. TSX. You gave me the TS first, and then okay, got it. Whatever, that's fine. stuff to that anyways, but that's all good. Oh, what the hell? What's going on here? Did I do that backwards? I did do that backwards. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, so that needs to be there. And that needs to be there. There we go. Now it's not yelling at me. Okay. Now let's check it. What? Ah, you suck. Why did that... Menu event? What's going on here? What happened? Okay, I messed something up. Menu TSX, what is going on here? Art styles menu, something is up. Okay, something's not right. Because the home menu is on the left and it's being completely out of it. What's going on here? Did we not import? No. There we go. Background. Yeah, I got that. Menu style. Da 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 da. Now is it okay? No, it's still only showing. What is going on here? Style sheet nav bar. Okay, let me refresh to the original. I don't care if it yells at me or not. What? No, there's an error with that. Oh my goodness. Okay, with that one, that's the menu. Okay, this is... No, that's the TS. Ah, jeez. Okay, so we'll put that back in the menu. It doesn't exist. Why does it not exist? I didn't delete anything on there. Layout, da 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 da. No. You're being a dick. not exist. It does. For God's sakes. No. Yeah. Oh, you're killing me. Okay. We're gonna do this. Close that. Awesome. Da, 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 da. Info card. That. What? Let's see. Your home screen still uses pop-up menu visible instead of navigating to the actual menu TSX page. You currently have pressable button, home styles, set menu visible. Huh? app slash index dot tsx and then layout dot tsx menu dot tsx events dot tsx pro tsx and home dot tsx. That. They are all uppercase. Good God. In the folder, they are all upper case. Okay, we're gonna take a picture of this, and then we're gonna take a picture of this. What in the... There we go. You are killing me. Oh my goodness. Okay, whatever. I will change it with that. Wow, what do you know? It fixed it. I don't know. I don't know what to say to this. Oh my goodness. Okay. I mean, it kept telling me the same thing, so, and I was like, no, that's not the problem. That's not the problem because I didn't change the layout. I just changed the menu. Okay. It's good now. But the left from this to this. So view menu container. Okay, whatever. I'll try it myself. Where's it at? View menu container. Set bar, blah, blah. I don't think that's the right one. Please change. Good God. It'll be much easier when I learn React Native to a better extent, but for right now, I know very little about React Native. I know more of Flutter, but I don't want to use Flutter. I want to use React Native because I want to try it. So, alright. We got this. Gonna do that. It's throwing one little error for the right container. So, need to add this. Make sure these are like this. Okay, content area and sidebar. No, that's the layout. Don't want that. There we go. Okay, content layout and sidebar. Oh, no, that's content area. Side button. No, content area and sidebar. No, I don't see that. Good God. Killing me. Okay. We'll just add that. And I guess we'll add those because I don't see those in here. Content area and sidebar. Make sure these are like this. Except I don't see those. Content area. Oh. Content area flex 1. Flex 1, okay. And then where did I put sidebar? Did I not put sidebar? Or did ChatGPT not put sidebar? No, I'm not seeing. I'm seeing side button text, but not sidebar. Oh, side. I feel stupid. I put it right under it and it didn't. Oh my goodness. Okay. Width padding. Width 120. Okay, so that just needs 20. Good God. Okay. Padding 10. 111. 2. 111 to F2. Okay, that should be good. Now it's good. But killing me. Okay, so though this I like. That looks good, but it's probably because it's probably just the size of the screen. Honestly, they're not gonna see it when it's like that, but I do need it to be a little bit smaller right here because as you can see, well, you can't really see it, but it cuts off on the side of the phone, so need to fix that. But other than that, okay, so those are good. That's good. Oh, now it's good. What? I'm very. Hold on. Taco. No, it still cuts it off a little bit. So yeah, I just gotta fix the size of these suckers. Okay. Well, let's see what it looks like on this screen. Okay, it looks fine on this screen, so it's just this screen that looks crappy. Oh my goodness. Okay, this screen is just fine, and it looks really good. So yeah, it's just my computer screen is too wide. I'm not gonna worry about it then. Yeah, everything else looks just fine. So yeah, it's just my computer screen size. It's whatever. That's fine. I don't think anyone's gonna see it on this size computer. If they're gonna see it, it's probably gonna be on a tablet or oh my goodness, a tablet or a big screen TV that is not the size of the computer. So we're just gonna leave it like this, and it will be good. So yeah, now I just have to fix these. Woohoo. Okay. So instead of it being white with yellow thing, I know ChatGPT likes the yellow part, and I'm probably gonna fix these too because I don't like the yellow with the black. I mean, it looks okay, but yeah, I want to do something a little bit different with that. But we'll get the menu set, the events, the profile, and then we'll go back and critique. Alright. So just need to fix the mobile. So let's see. Pressable. Was anything pressable? Ah, yes, it is pressable. But I need an actual button that I can press it. Because if not, it. Well, I mean, it looks. Yeah, we need to add press for more information, but I also need to change the size of the containers. So let's see. It is pressable. No, close. That's not it. I think it's this one. Oh yeah, style card. Okay, so we need to find the card. Here it is. Okay. We'll go with 2. Oh, Well, I mean, it's an okay size, but I did not mean to do that. Good God. Okay, there we go. All right, let's do 260. Yeah, I like that size. But gotta put it there. Because right now it's cut off right there. So gotta fix that. Let's see. Wrap center. Well, let's padding bottom. Let's see. Padding. Maybe padding right. Oh, nope. That messed. Nope. No. Okay. Margin right, maybe. Instead of messing this up myself, need the card to go left more on the phone. It's being cut off. Line items, flex start. So we'll change it to that and see what happens. Nope. Yeah, I'd much rather have it like that and then go over more and then down. So that works. Yeah, I like that, but it's still being cut off on the phone, for God's sakes. Okay, so we'll change to 95%. Huh? What did I do wrong? Oh, I forgot the quotations. Good God. Get that out of here. I forgot. With React Native, you can't do a 95% unless it's in quotations. No, it's still... Okay, we'll just change the whole thing. Still the same. Okay, so sidebar. No, definitely not. Good God, you're killing me. 90? No. 80? No. Good God, 70. Yeah, much better. Okay, so we can change that back to 120. And then do that to 65. Yeah, still looks good on the phone. Okay. Nice. All right, good stuff. So now it's just a matter of adding the rest of these, but I also want to change this to like a chopping block, a wooden chopping block or something. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so pressable, text, pressable index, style card, all the way to the pressable. Gotcha. Righty. I think that's it. So now we just need to no, that's fine. Have card. Oh, whoops. Okay, we did something wrong. Oh, menu card background not found. Okay, so for right now, we'll add. What is this? That. Okay, so we will add that with background PNG. And look like on there? Oh my gosh. Ay ay ay. Okay, that's not so good. Okay, looks a little bit better on the phone. Alright, need to change the text color though, because it's very. Ugh. Alright, item name. There we go. And then DESC. Let's try with red. Better. Alright. Yeah, that seems pretty good on there. Much better. Okay. Um. Now we need an image. burger. Jesus. It looks a little bit cleaner. Alright. Yes, I know it's going to throw an error. No, that was not supposed to go there. Add image to the imports. Good God. There we go. That's good, but need a burger. Need a burger, need a burger, need a burger. What? Okay. Alright. Yeah, I know. Nope. Much better. Alright. Background needs to be transparent. I think I spelled that right. I'm not sure, but we'll find out. This is the thing that takes forever. But I must say, ChatGPT does give good images. So can't really complain on that. Polishing details, yes, I know. I got it. touches. Come on. Oh, that looks delicious. Problem is, it's not gonna look like this in the bar, but that's okay. All good. I just need something to put in there so I don't get the error. Okay. Berg. Good to go. And definitely need to put this in another folder. So do a bunch of different images for burgers, tacos, and yada yada yada. And I'll probably put those in the database on the back end just to make it a little bit easier. BG. Oh, did it put it on the styles? I guess we'll find out. Food image. Where's the food image? Is it down here? No, it's not down here. Okay, where's the image for it? Did you seriously put an icon? 24. That. Ah, here we go. Okay, so yeah, it's gonna throw a bunch of errors. So we need to do Berg. Berg. Just for now. Is that all? Yeah, that's all. Okay. Ah! No, too much. I think that's it. Yep, that's it. Okay. So save that. Oh, yes, I see it. Okay, nice. But what? Where is the image? My other image is gone. What's going on here? The cutting board is gone. What? Why is the cutting board gone? And it's supposed to go this way. Oh my goodness. I'll fix that later. Whatever. Okay. View more. Okay, yeah, I like that. But gotta take away the yellow. Where is the card? No. Don't want that on everything. Okay, that was taken off. Much better. I don't know if I should do the cutting board or not because it's seeable as is right now. But can't see the dang thing. Yeah, can't push the button on the phone, so that's a problem. Okay. So the card needs to have a background image, the food image on the left with, okay, the background image then inside, inside, good God, there we go, the food image on the left with the name under. So in a column and right side price with a button under. So another column. So both columns need to be in a row Let's try it like that. Hopefully it understands better. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, whatever. I'll... No. Name price. Blah, blah, blah. Where's the card? Card content. Please give full files for both because I'm very tired and... Okay. Gosh, darn it. Okay, first that one. And like I said, we're going to have to put this in a separate file because that's a lot of stuff in just one file to look at. So we'll probably do multiple TSX files. And that way we can just change them by going into one and looking at the burgers, looking at the hot dogs, looking at the nachos, and so on. And that way it's a little bit cleaner. Yes, it exists. Jeez. Okay. seeing the image. What's going on here? Oh, that's why. Oh, we are almost there. Jeez. It's there. It's just still being kind of cut off. Okay, so need to. It's cut off on the phone, but it's there. So need to make this smaller for sure. But yeah, it's good. I like it. And again, it gave the stinking border. Oh my god. Sparks loves that border. You would think it would learn, because I said no border, but whatever. Okay. But yeah, I like the look of it. It looks good. It's a little bit dark, but I can change that later. It's fine. But yeah, I need to make this a little bit shorter. So 96. That's why. Okay, 56. No, that's way too small. Okay, 66. Now 64. And it's. Why is it on the right? No, not align item center. Oh my goodness. Click start. Just gonna copy that. No, I don't want the card at 100%. Yep, that's much better. Okay, now maybe 70. Okay, let's try 70. Just 70. Perfect. Oh, oh, oh. I like it. Oof. Okay. We'll fix that later. Honestly, doesn't matter right now. Yes, that is exactly what I want. No, I don't care about that. Just want this. Let's see if that helps. Well, put space in between those, so let's see what it does. Much better, but I gotta fix that a little bit. Okay, stuff. Okay, but does it go... We're gonna have to... add more. Okay, what does it do? It still kind of goes... Nah, it's fine. It's really fine, honestly. It looks good. I like it. And then if we click on this... Yeah, I like... But we gotta stop with the yellow... I don't get that, honestly. Alright, where's the yellow at? Where's the yellow border? No. View button, no. Border color. Do not need that. There we go. Okay, now let's try it. Should be good now. Much better. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I like that. Okay. We are good to go for now on the menu. And that button has a border around it of yellow. Oh my goodness. What the hell? You're killing me. Okay. I know you love yellow, ChatGPT, but stop doing it. There we go, much better. Okay, it's starting to look a lot better. And this needs to come off, but we'll fix that later. It'll be in another video. I'm tired, I gotta get to sleep, so I will see you all in the next video. This is the menu page. So, yeah, I hope you all liked it. If you did, please like and subscribe to see more. And follow along, because I will be doing events and profile next, and we'll be doing some games on profile, and we'll be doing lots of different events. So, yeah.